Hello guys, this is the third video of the tutorial series for structured query language. In my previous video I discussed about database and database management system. Now I thought I should keep a separate video for relational database management system because it is a very important support for the SQL. So in this video, I will discuss about relational database management system. So what is relational database management system? Now relational database management system is a type of database management system which is based on the relational model that was introduced by Edgar F. Codd of the IBM's research laboratory. Now, what is the relational model, or why the database management system is called relational database management system? It is because in this type of database management system, data is represented in the form of tuples, or in other words we can say rows. Now how this is done? This is done based on some basic or user defined relations. For example, let's say this is a table where we have records of some students. Now the first record is of name, then its age, and then we have class, and then we have, let's say, section. So we are having records. Now they can be ABC. His or her age can be, let's say, 15 years. Class, maybe it's class 10, or rather let's write in numerical form, class 10, and section, let's say, A. Similarly, we can have another student whose name is XYZ. His or her age may be 20 years. Class, let's say, 12, and section, let's say, C. Now, this total record of a particular student, this is known as a tuple. So this is the tuple for student named ABC. This is the tuple for student named XYZ. So these individual rows are known as tuples in database management system. So relational database management system is made up of a collection of such tuples. Now, due to this collection of organized set of tables, you can see these tuples can form tables. So the collection of these organized set of tables allows us to access data easily in RDBMS, or relational database management system. Okay. Now, there are certain terminologies in RDBMS which are very important when you will learn SQL. So let's start with them. The first one is table. What is table? Table is nothing but a collection of organized tuples. Okay. The second one is fields. The third one is records or tuples. First of all, let me write all these terms and then I will explain them one by one by showing an example. From that example, all the terms would be clear to you. So the fourth one is column, and the fifth one is null value. Now, how I will explain all these terms from a single example? Let's see. We all know that in database management system, data are stored in an organized manner. Now, this organization of data can be done in form of tables also, and that is a major concept behind the RDBMS. Now, the example that I have just shown in a few minutes ago about the student database, I will draw that example once more. So it was name, then age, then class, and finally section. This was ABC, this was 15, class was 10, and section was A. Similarly, it was XYZ, this was 20, this was 12, and this was C. Now, from this example, this whole structure is nothing but table. Okay, these individual structures are called fields. Why these are called fields? Because these are the terms, or rather the pointers, that points us to the data section that it is carrying. What I mean to say is, under these fields there are sets of data that we want to access. Okay, now these sets of data about a single entity are nothing but tuples or records. And a single field with its set of data, a single field with its set of data is nothing but a column. A column is nothing but a single field with its set of data. Null value. In this table, there is no field which has null value. Now, if I join another column named, let's say, degree. Okay, now since these two students are still in school, therefore they will not have any degree like BTech or MBA or MCA, like that. No degree will be there, so this field will remain null. That is, it will contain no value, it will remain empty or blank. That is known as null value. So this is the null value. Now these are the major terminologies that are essential for relational database management system and will help you in SQL also. Now another term is there which is also an important term for relational database management system, but will not be so much essential in SQL, and that term is data integrity. Data integrity. Now what is data integrity? Data integrity is the maintenance of and assurance of accuracy and consistency of data over its life cycle. So data integrity is nothing but the maintenance of and assurance of accuracy and consistency of data over its life cycle. In simple words, data integrity maintains the consistency of data throughout its life cycle, means it ensures that no data for a particular record can be tampered with. Okay. Now, data integrity can be subdivided into 4 types. The first one is entity integrity. The second one is domain integrity. The third one is referential integrity. And the fourth one is user defined integrity. Now, I will not discuss these subtypes in details. I will do that in my DBMS course that I will upload later. But right now, you just have to know what is data integrity, and it can be divided into its subtypes. So this was all about the relational database management system, which you need to know for proceeding further in your SQL course. Thank you. Do like the video, share the video, and stay tuned to my channel for the upcoming videos of this tutorial series. Thank you.